This is exactly how I was able to fix Life360 app location not updating. So firstly, what I had to do is to close the Life360 app and then go to my settings app on my phone instead. And then in here, scroll all the way down and click on apps. And then click on search apps here and then search for the Life360 app right here, as you can see. Now what you need to do in here is to just click on live activities and make sure to allow live activities, and this one as well, more frequent updates. Make sure you have this two right here turned on. That's very important. Also click on wireless data here and make sure that you have this VLAN and mobile data turned on as well. Otherwise this might also not work, just so you know. Another thing that's also very good to do, I'm just going to go back to this page here on settings and then scroll down and click on general and then click on storage right here. As you can see, there's one more thing that we need to do to be able to make sure that we've actually fixed this problem. So now what you need to do is to just wait for this one right here to completely load all of the apps that you have on your phone. And now when it's done, just click on applications here and search for the Life360 app. Then click on offload app, and once again in here click on offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load. So then just click on reinstall app and then just wait for the Life360 app to reinstall now, and then hopefully now this problem will be gone for you as well.